Hi and hello everyone. I, Bhagyashree Sahag, would like to welcome all of you from the bottom of my heart to this amazing and wonderful, first of its kind LinkedIn Live session at Griva Capital. As we all know, Griva Capital is a small, young financial services company catering primarily to the Indian capital market. We are a team of mad, progressive, and committed individuals wanting to bring a change in the financial health of people. Let's unfold the session with all six participants. We will make the session very candid, genuine, and interactive. So, without any delay, let's start off. First of all, I would like to request all the participants to give a small introduction about themselves. Let's start off with Kanishka. So, Kanishka, you're popular for your dedication, which is shown by the fact that you have not taken even a single day off in the 60 days that you have been with us. Why don't you tell us something that keeps you motivated the way you are?
Sure, Bhagyashree. First of all, hi everyone. This is Kanishka Dayal, and I am the second year student at International Management Institute, New Delhi. I am pursuing my PGDM in Banking and Financial Services. From the past 2 months, I am interning with Griva Capital, and this has been a transforming decision for me. So, moving on to your question about the motivation, I would say that the level of mentorship that is provided by the company is impeccable, and every task that is assigned to us was tailor made to suit our needs. And also, we were given proper guidance and feedback for every deliverable that was asked for us. So, this in this systematic way, that's how we run the company. So, that's the reason which motivated me to do better. Thank you.
That's great and something all of us could learn from. Moving on, this question is open to all of you. You guys have been working at Griva Capital for a while now. What makes this company a very special and unique place to work at?
Hello, Bhagyashree. So I'll start with this question. I'll introduce myself first. So my name is Sirish Gopalan, and I'm a second year MBA student. I've been interning for Griva Capital since last 2 months, and fun fact, I've also cleared my CFA level 1. But yeah, so the application aspect of it was altogether a different ball game, and I would like to say that the opportunity to work in this multifaceted role was simply awesome. And during the course of this internship, we got to work at different verticals, not just limited to core finance, but also marketing as well for me. And I got to explore a different side of myself altogether during this internship.
Speaking from experience, I can say that I totally agree with that sentiment.
Hi everyone, all my fellow colleagues and people who are live on here. This is Harsh Gupta here, and I am a second year MBA student from TAPMI Manipal, and I am a finance intern out here. And as I would say, I would have a great opportunity to work with some of the finest talents. People here are from different backgrounds and having a diverse set of talent, and I've got to learn from them. And people have also been competitive at the same time helpful. So I'm always motivated to work with them, and just happy with the fact that I'm in the same team as them. So that's a good part of being working here.
So guys, let me share you my story. When I joined Griva Capital, I considered myself as a fresher. Funny thing is that I got scolded for that because the company does not believe that a fresher is less capable than someone who has work experience. And hopefully it showed up in my work. For the company, knowledge matters more than just degrees and certifications.
Thank you, Japleen. Apurva, you want to jump in?
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi Bhagyashree. You already know that I have completed my CFA level 1 exam, and I am also a certified financial planner. But you know what? There is a huge difference between theoretical knowledge and the real-time application of the concepts, which were taught to me by Griva during this internship tenure. And yeah, this is something for which I am very much grateful for.
Lastly, Karan, why don't you share your experience at Griva?
Yeah, hello everyone, and hello to all the members who are here watching us. I'm an MBA graduate from TAPMI, currently pursuing finance as from second year, and I joined this internship as a finance intern. But I was advised by our mentor, Mr. Abhishek, to work in a marketing finance blend. And I would say that it has been one of the best advices given to me so far, because it gave me an opportunity to capitalize on my strengths, not only in finance, but also in the marketing department as well. So I think this is one of the best advices, as I said earlier.
That is so inspiring. So, moving on to the next question I have for you people. Can you shed some light on some of the highlights of working at Griva Capital?
Okay, so I'll begin. I got to work in the social media vertical, and I also gained some valuable insights about various social media during my time at Griva Capital. It is something that I've learned that I'll treasure throughout my life.
It's true that social media is the future, and I think that you have learned a very valuable experience. So, anyone else would like to jump in?
Let me share my experience with you. While working, I got to know about so many companies that previously I had no idea about. If we look beyond Sensex and Nifty, we can truly understand the depth of the market. And yeah, realization of this fact was a highlight for me personally.
Thank you, Apurva, for sharing that.
So, as you all know, we are going through a very challenging time, and the entire world is in trouble because of this. And unfortunately, the same struck with me when one of my close family members was turned positive, COVID positive, and it became emotionally as well as mentally taxing to carry on work. So, it is at that time that our mentor and the entire team chipped in. My work got allocated among the other members, and I was given a bit of relaxation wherein I can give time to my family. So this is something which we look to, and employees look forward to. So this is something which I'll always remember, and I'm thankful to the team for that. So that an experience which I want to share. Yeah.
That is a truly touching experience, and I can only hope that my future employers will be as great as Griva has been. Thank you for sharing your experience here. So moving on to the next question, which is open to all of you. How did this internship experience change you?
So let me begin with it. So earlier I was an investor basically, but I was not that confident about myself. But being a part of this company and interning here for like past 2 months, I think I'll be a much better investor now, and I know right now just to like not to just look at Nifty 50 and Sensex, but to look beyond that as well. And everything that I learned about finance and everything that I learned about the stock markets and every knowledge and every past knowledge, I'm saying every past knowledge and every that I had, now I am able to apply it and get the results out of it. So hopefully I'll be able to learn more as I go ahead, and I'll be very thankful for Griva Capital so for bringing about this change inside me.
Practical knowledge is very important. That is true.
Shall I go ahead, Bhagyashree?
Yes, of course, Kanishka, go ahead.
Yes. So as I said in my introduction as well, that interning at Griva Capital was a transformational experience, and everything is positive about it. Earlier I was not so confident about myself, but while working in a competitive environment with such a great team, they really got the best in me, and finally I can say that I feel confident to face the challenges of the corporate world. And I would like to thank the Griva team, and especially Abhishek sir, for bringing that change in me and making me ready for the corporate world.
That's wonderful. You truly have an inspiring story to share with all of us.
Yeah, actually, I would also like to pitch in. Being a part of Griva Capital was genuinely a very enriching experience for me. And the reason why I say this is because it brought a hustler inside me, and it's genuinely because of the teammates that I have, specifically you all five here. I got to communicate effectively, even in this post-pandemic times where we all are working from home. The coordination was absolutely perfect. It was all genuine, and I would like to really thank you all as well as everyone at Griva Capital for giving me this opportunity, and I hope to produce the same results again and again. Thank you.
Thank you, Karan, for this insightful response. Okay, so the last question I have for the entire team. Describe your experience for working at Griva Capital in one word.
Okay, so let me go ahead with this. I would keep it as extremely competitive because the environment and which pushes me a bit more. So I would keep it at extremely competitive.
Yeah, it's difficult for me to put it in a few words, but because of the role that I had, so multidimensional and diversified would be the two words that I would go for.
For me, I would say it's passionate, it's obsessive, and full of madness.
So it's quite difficult for me to just condense it in few words because honestly that won't do any justice to it. But Bhagyashri, since you asked, so I may take a leisure of adding a couple of more words. So Griva Capital has given me crystal clear goals, vision, and mindset. Yeah, so that is how I would like to condense my experience.
I totally agree with Sirish, and even I'll add just a few words. I'll say introspective, transformational, and self discovery.
I would say becoming practitioners more than scholars.
Those are very interesting words to use to describe your experience here. So, guys, I would like to thank you all for your participation. It was a really marvelous session, and it was a great pleasure for me to host this unique and memorable experience with you guys. And I will cherish each and every moment of it, and I hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. I once again would like to say thanks to all the people who attended this session. Thank you very much to the entire team at Griva Capital. Namaste, Shubhratri, and take care.